or you will be able to feel. So you might have different form of sensations.
Okay.
Or you might be able to hear. So you might hear some words, some phrases, some, alphabets, random sounds. Or you might be able to smell or taste something. Smell and taste is in very few people. Most people, it'll either be a feeling or a visual or a little bit of maybe hearing. Whatever may come today, just allow it to happen. Don't force yourself. Don't try to resist. So force भी नहीं करना है, बहुत ज्यादा ट्राई भी नहीं करना है, और अगर कुछ आ रहा है तो उसको resist भी मत करिए. Don't get scared with whatever you see. I'm right here and I'm going to help you through it. Okay?
Okay.
So अगर कुछ भी आ रहा है, आने दीजिए, होने दीजिए. We are right here to help you. Don't be scared. And if you get any form of vision or any form of feeling, please feel it fully, because that is what healing is. Healing happens when you feel something fully. If you feel angry, it's supposed to be felt fully. Today may not be anger, because today is going to be your first session. So I'm going to keep it very subtle. Today may be more of other emotions like either happiness or sadness or a overwhelming feeling or a feeling of lightness and blissfulness. So you might feel any of this today, because we're going to make you meet your inner child today. Okay? Once that happens, and nothing also can happen. Nothingness is also a lot of things. So if nothing is happening also, your body is still receiving healing. Okay? So don't worry about it कि मेरे को बहुत कुछ दिखा नहीं या मुझे बहुत कुछ feel नहीं हुआ. The only thing, yes, is that just listen to my words, listen to me, whatever I'm saying, and go with the flow and allow your body to do the rest, allow your energies to do the rest of the work. Okay? Okay. Vishal, you can put your head on this side and lie down. I'm going to switch off the light. Okay. Okay. Gently, everyone. Just close your eyes. Be with yourself. You have a baby, be with the baby. Feel the joy and the happiness, because you're now going to be meeting your own. And simply, as I say, allow yourself to listen to your breath. With each breath you take, feel your belly, the way it is moving with every breath. Sense your breath moving upwards within your belly. And as your belly goes in, your breath comes out from the nostril. Feel the warmth or the cool air of your breathing. वो हर एक सांस के साथ अपनी सांस को धीमी और धीमी और रिलैक्स्ड होते हुए महसूस कीजिए. और इस बार जब आप सांस लेंगे, Allow that breath to go all the way to your forehead. And as you release the breath, feel the breath going all the way down till your toes. Very gentle, very gentle, gentle. Feel that sensation all the way till your toes. And जैसे जैसे you feel that sensation, feel your body going deeper into the floor or into your bed or into the Mother Earth. Deeper as it goes, sinks into Mother Earth. Gently feel your body becoming lighter. Very light. I'm going to count from 1 to 3. And with every count, you're going to go deeper into Mother Earth. 1. You're going into a deeper state of relaxation. Your body is getting lighter. 2. And now this time you're going to go into the deepest state of your consciousness. As deep as you can into Mother Earth. 3. Now you are in the most relaxed state of your consciousness. And as you go there, sense yourself in a dark tunnel. A dark tunnel. And there is light at the end of the tunnel. एक खूबसूरत रोशनी नजर आ रही है. धीरे धीरे उस रोशनी के पास जाइए. Deeper, you're getting deeper and deeper into this darkness towards the light. Move towards the light, towards the bright, beautiful light you see. Walk towards it. You're getting closer. और जैसे जैसे आप उस रोशनी के पास आ रहे हैं, वो रोशनी और तेज होते जा रही है. It's becoming more clear, more beautiful. Keep walking, keep walking. Slowly, gently, the light becomes more bright. It covers the whole tunnel. And suddenly, you are now into a bright space. All around you, all you see is a beautiful light. Walk into that light. पहले एक कदम और फिर दूसरा. Put one leg forward and then the other. You are now in a beautiful garden. You're walking bare feet on green grass, soft, gentle. Look at your feet or feel your feet. How old are you? Look at it. Is it you? And as you recognize yourself, slowly walk into the garden. And there is your favorite tree, a tree you loved in your childhood, a tree you loved always as a child. See that tree again. उस पेड़ को देखिए, ऐसे जैसे आज भी वो आपके पास है। अगर उसके ऊपर फूल है, फल है, उसे महसूस करिए और इस पेड़ के पास जाइए। वो छोटा है, बड़ा है, रंगीन है, उसके पत्ते कैसे हैं, उसे महसूस करिए। और उसे गले लगाइए। और इस पेड़ से अपनी आज की जो भी आपकी परेशानी है वो उसको बताइए। Speak to that tree. The tree is listening. Say to it, my dearest friend, और उसे जो भी आप कहना चाहते हो, speak to that tree. And listen to what the tree has to say to you. Is there a message? सुनिए and pay attention. Is there any bird or an animal around that is watching you? Look around and see and notice. Is there any other creature that is speaking to you? Pay attention. Can you hear a sound or feel the air? Feel it all. हर एक चीज जो आपके आसपास है उसे महसूस करिए और पूरी तरह से उसे अपने आप को हील करने दीजिए। ये आपकी खूबसूरत दुनिया है। जो आप कहीं छोड़ कर आए. Feel every aspect. And listen to all your friends. Look at it. What time of the day is it? Is it the sun shining? Is it the moonlight? Is it dark? Or is it bright in the day? Or is it raining? What is happening around you? Smell the earth as you hug the tree, as you look around you. Allow this nature to heal you. And now, as you walk behind the tree, you will notice a seesaw. A seesaw or a swing or a slide. Which one is it? Feel it. See it. Is it a swing or a slide or a seesaw? And there is a child sitting on it. एक बच्चा वहां पर बैठा है. कौन है वो? उसके पास जाइए. चाहे वो स्विंग पे हो या स्लाइड पे या सीसॉ पे, उसके पास जाइए. Keep walking and go closer and closer to the child till you come right next to it, till the child is right next to you. And slowly touch the child on the shoulder. Tap him or her and allow the child to look at you. And as the child turns around and looks at you, you notice that you recognize this child because he or she is no one else but you. Feel yourself as that little child or see yourself as that little child. उसे देखिए या महसूस कीजिए क्योंकि ये और कोई नहीं, it's you. See yourself. How do you look? How old are you? What are you wearing? क्या पहन रखा है आपने? हर एक चीज को महसूस करिए. हर एक चीज को देखिए. पाँव में क्या पहना है? What is the color of your dress? What is your haircut? And look at the child and say hello. उसे अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करिए and ask the child, do you recognize me? कैसा दिख रहा है वो? उसको देखकर आज आपको क्या महसूस हो रहा है? उसको देखकर अच्छा लग रहा है? खुशी हो रही है? उसको देखकर रोना आ रहा है? आर यू मिसिंग योर चाइल्ड? Hold yourself and allow the emotion to come out. See him or her and feel that joy of meeting yourself, that beautiful you. Somewhere वो कहीं खो गया है. How is that child feeling? Is he or she happy to see you? Or is the child sad and unhappy? Look at his face. Look at her face. Pay attention to the feeling that you're having, or hear and listen. And ask yourself, as the little you, how are you doing? And listen to what the child has to say. सुनिए, वो क्या कहना चाहता है आपसे. देखिए, महसूस करिए, feel it fully. What is it that your little self is telling you? Take your time. There is no rush. This is your world. ये आपकी दुनिया है, खूबसूरत. No one to disturb. No one to tell you what to do and not to do. No one can take this away from you. Listen to what yourself is telling you and share with your little self your feelings. आपके अंदर की वो सारी बातें उसको बताइए. क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं आज आप? कैसा लग रहा है? क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप जो आप किसी को नहीं कह सकते? आज उसे बताइए. दिल खोल के आज अपनी सारी बातें अपने उस नन्हे सेल्फ को बताइए. टेक योर टाइम. चाहे झूला झूलते हुए, चाहे मट्टी में खेलते हुए, चाहे सीसॉ पे हो या स्लाइड पे, जहां कहीं भी हो, खेलते खेलते आज एक दूसरे के साथ अपनी दिल की बातें शेयर करिए। वो आपसे क्या कहना चाहता है सुनिए। आप उसको क्या कहना चाहते हैं कहिए। Because the whole world belongs to you and only you. No one is there now to disturb you. And tell your child, I know somewhere बड़े होते होते I have lost you. I know तुम कहीं खो गए हो. I promise to bring you back into my life. I promise to take care of you. I promise I will hold on to you now. I promise I will love you. Please come back into my life. Please help me. And I promise to protect you. And as you say that to your little one, slowly, gently, it's time to go back. And so turn around and start walking back. With this beautiful feeling that you are not alone, that there is someone with you, always with you, loving you. You are not alone. You are there. Someone is there to share. And you are also there for someone. That someone is within you. You are whole as a person. You are not helpless. You are complete within yourself. And you can heal yourself. You have the power to be whole. With that sense of feeling, slowly walk back into the tunnel And this time, carry that light with you. This light of healing, the light of happiness and joy, this light of your childlike self. Carry it back with you as you walk back from the tunnel. And as you come back, visualize or sense a color that you see. Is there any color that you see? See if you can see a color. And now check, does that color have a shape? Any shape. If that color has a beautiful shape, then carry that shape and the color with you as your protector and your light of hope. This color and shape will now guide you from now on as your inner child and will remind you each time when you need someone, you will bring that color and shape into your senses as your healing resource, as a source of hope. And slowly, as I count from 3 to 1, you're coming out of this deep consciousness back into the now. 3, you're coming back healed as you've met your inner child. 2, you're coming back into this moment wherever you are, in your room or on this mat, jahan kahin bhi ho, you're coming back into this moment, into this consciousness, extremely healed or happy with a sense of lightness and a source that is now going to help you. Slowly, gently, take your time as you come back. Take your time as you come back. Do not rush. Be with yourself. Feel that sense of healing that has helped you. Allow yourself to carry it. And whenever you are ready, you can turn to one side and gently, very gently, slowly open up your eyes and be with yourself. Take your time, don't be in a rush. Give yourself a moment. Okay. Aarti, are you okay? Nilambika, Kajal, Alka, you joined in late, but I hope you could do it.
Felt very light. Thank you.
Most welcome. Would anybody like to share? And I would like you all to have a sip of water if you have it next to you. After this today, what we are going to do is we're going to go home, or if you're at home, you're going to soak your feet till your knees in Epsom salt and warm water for 20 minutes. And flush that water then in the bathroom. Okay. So आज जरूर वो करिए. Preferably eat light food and drink lots of liquids and water. Okay. You want to share? Did you manage to see? Did you manage to hear? Did you manage to listen?
I have now a color, I have now the shape, and I was able to relate. Of course, there were a lot of thoughts in between, but I feel having much more strength than when I came.
So thoughts will not go away. So this is one thing. जो सब सोचते हैं कि हम मेडिटेशन करेंगे तो सारे थॉट्स चले जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं होता है. It takes a lot of thing and lot of practice and a lot of things to actually be in that state of thoughtlessness, or you know so we should not, that's why I say never force yourself. Allow your body and your energies to do what it needs to. Yeah. So the color and shape, anybody else got any color and shape?
I too got a color and a shape.
Okay.
Feeling lighter and better.
So that color and shape is now your resource.
Yeah.
Till we do the
Fall
healing
back.
next time, okay?
You can fall back.
Yes. So जब भी अब से आपके पास अगर कोई भी इस तरह के थॉट्स आते हैं, या ऐसा लगता है कि I don't have, I'm helpless, or when you get angry, you have now a color and shape to remind you that you're not alone. So normally I say that if you can either take a paper and draw the shape and the color, cut it and place it in different places wherever you need to keep seeing it. Or, if somebody sees a silver star, I usually tell them, okay, you can buy and you can place it everywhere, or a red heart or anything. I don't want to prompt. So color and shape, you can draw it or you can buy, and you can place it in different places in your house or office where you feel that you will be able to use that resource as a reminder of someone who is always there with you. Okay. Did anybody get any messages from their inner child? Or from the wise tree?
In our daily lives, we have lost ourselves.
Yeah.
So we should again have that joy, enthusiasm, peace, and be careful. This is what
You got from the tree or
not
from the child?
child.
Very nice.
Not
So,
from the tree, but from the child. From tree, I got this such wonderful colors. We used to play with those. Gulmohar tree was my favorite tree.
okay.
And we used to even have when we were young, when we were going on the ground,
Yeah.
we were also having these leaves. We used to eat because someone told us it was edible.
Correct. Yes, yes.
And so I remembered all these things.
Oh, wow. That is amazing. I hope you'll all heard it. And I think someone is saying, Kajal is saying, I'm exhausted. Yes, you were playing as a child. And I was lost in my happiness piece. So beautiful. So it's tough to get back all that, but this is exactly why we work, so that we can find ourselves again. Yeah. And did anybody get to see any birds or animals? Somewhere my inner child wants to become like you, like me. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Kajal, are you talking about me? Yes, yes. Ah. Your inner child has to be like you, Kajal. Nobody can be better than you, because you are the most beautiful creature. So the moment you start feeling that love and that joy and that preciousness of being who you are, believe me, you will not want to be like anybody else. So there was a time when I used to feel like, okay, I want to be like this one or that one, but
Mama, she was how to make your chai. For him and you.
पिंकी दीदी जैसी.
वही मसाला और उस शक्कर कम बोले.
Okay, so yes. So if anybody did see any bird or animal, do let me know, because that also has a significance. Okay, so you all have your messages from your little child now. My suggestion is कि अब आप क्या करिए, प्लीज एक अपनी किताब लीजिए या फोन और उसमें लिखिए. थोड़ा अपने आप के साथ अभी आधा घंटा बैठिए. एंड नॉट नेसेसरी अभी भी, हो सकता है रात को भी आएंगे, हो सकता है आपको सपने भी कुछ कुछ आएंगे आज. तो थोड़ा अवेयरनेस रखिए एंड राइट वॉट एवर मे कम. आपको लगेगा बहुत सिली है या आपको लग सकता है कि अरे this has no significance. Everything has a significance. Okay? So you can write short, you can write in sentences or big paragraph, and please WhatsApp it to me so I can guide you better. Yeah? Till our next healing session, I pray and I wish all of you lots more healing, lots more love. Please drink good enough water. Soak your feet in warm water with salt and allow the cleansing to happen for all of you. Okay. Anything else anybody wants to share before we log off? Thank you. Thank you. अलका जी, आप कौन से ग्रुप में हैं? सेल्फ हीलिंग की डोंट वरी बी हैप्पी? Kajal, I'm really so thankful that I have this opportunity to do this healing. It gives me a lot. It makes me really, you can't imagine. I really feel blessed. So thank you for trusting me. Okay. Okay. So if anybody has anything to share, you can share personally on my messages also. Don't worry. You don't have to share anything also, or you don't want to also share, be with yourself. No problem also. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much.
Lots of love to you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.